Method 1. How to restore deleted apps on iPhone from App Library. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and select Home Screen. Step 3. Choose Add to Home Screen. Method 2. How to see recently deleted apps on iPhone from the App Store. You can also find deleted applications by reinstalling them from the App Store. For purchased apps. Step 1. Launch the App Store on your device. Tap on Updates at the bottom of the screen and then click on Purchase to access apps purchased with your account. Step 2. Switch to the Not on this iPhone section, where you can view purchased apps that are not currently installed on your device. Step 3. Locate the app you want to reinstall. Then click on the download arrow next to it to restore the app that was deleted from your iPhone. For non-purchased apps. Step 1. Launch the App Store on your device. Step 2. Tap on the magnifying glass or use the search feature to find the app you want to reinstall. Step 3. Once you locate the app in the search results, click on the download icon cloud symbol to restore the app that was previously deleted from your iPhone. Method 3. How to retrieve deleted apps on iPhone via iTunes. For iTunes 12.7 later. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Click on the device icon in the top left corner. Step 3. Select apps from the left sidebar. Step 4. Find the deleted app and click Install next to it. For iTunes 12.7 higher. Step 1. Link your iPhone to the computer and launch iTunes. Step 2. Select the iPhone icon situated in the leftmost part of the navigation bar. Step 3. Navigate to the Summary tab. Then, locate and click on Restore Backup to recover the saved backup with your applications and application data. Method 4. How to find deleted apps on iPhone from iCloud Backup. If you have an iCloud backup, you can recover deleted apps by restoring your device. Using this method will reset and erase all data on your iPhone. Therefore, please ensure that you have previously backed up the deleted application data before proceeding. Step 1. Clear all data and settings on your iPhone. Tap Settings General Reset Erase all content and settings. Step 2. When the Apps and Data screen appears, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 3. Sign in with your Apple ID to access iCloud and select the backup that includes the deleted apps and data. Wait for the process to complete.